South Korea's first military fighter KF-21 Boramae will make its first flight this July. South Korea's Directorate General of Defense Acquisition Program Administration said that the first prototype of the KF-21 Boramae aircraft will make its first flight in the third week of July, and if the first flight is successful, its performance will be checked through 2,000 flight tests. The Korean aviation industry, as the manufacturer of the KF-21, first revealed about the first prototype of the KF-21 running on the runway on July 6. The development of the KF-21 began in 2015, and the final assembly of the prototype began in 2020. To date, 6 prototype units have been launched. South Korea's Directorate General of Defense Acquisition Program Administration plans to include 120 KF-21 units in the military by 2032, and replace older fighters, such as the F-4 and F-5. The KF-21 Boramae fighter is equipped with a high-performance radar, which can track various targets at the same time, and can detect infrared wave signals emitted from air-to-air targets. In addition, the KF-21 Boramae is also equipped with an electronic system to prevent threatening radar signals.